Howdy everyone, welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky. So if you were in a car accident and it was your fault, you're probably wondering, can the other driver sue me? And what happens next? So let's talk about that. And also we want to talk about, can your insurance protect you? Let's talk about that as well and what you need to know. So Texas is an at-fault state. And that means that if you cause the accident, you're legally responsible for the damages. And that includes the other driver's vehicle, right? Medical bills, their lost wages, and pain and suffering. So most of the time, your auto insurance steps in and handles that type of payout, and it's up to your policy limit. So if your policy limit's like $60K, it won't pay past that. So here's the tricky part. If the damages exceed your policy, the other party can still sue you personally to recover the rest. So if the policy caps out at $60K and it's $80K, you still got $20K you're responsible for. So they can try to go after your bank accounts, right? They can go after your wages or other assets. They can try. That's why having enough insurance coverage, including what they call an umbrella policy, is also important. Even if the accident was clearly your fault, the injured party still needs to prove their damages and injuries. So they still got to prove it, right? So if they're claiming a $100,000 in medical bills, your attorney has the right to review those claims. Your attorney can request evidence for you and even question their doctors. So you're not powerless just because you caused the crash. Your insurance company is going to easily provide you with a defense attorney, but their loyalty is to the insurance company, not you. So take that as a warning. They're not there for you, they're there for the insurance company. You need someone that's there for you. If things get serious, like a lawsuit or risk to your personal assets, you may want to hire your own attorney to represent your individual interests, right? So if you're being sued, don't ignore it. Responding properly and on time is crucial. Failing to answer a lawsuit can result in a default judgment, which means you automatically lose. So that court's going to rule against you automatically. Another thing to consider is criminal liability. If you were intoxicated, if you were driving recklessly or fleeing a scene, you could face criminal charges in addition to a civil lawsuit. And that's going to add a whole new layer of risk here, and it's going to require serious legal defense. Texas law gives injured parties 2 years to file a lawsuit, so we got 2 years. That means even if things seem quiet after the accident, claim can still come out of nowhere. You probably thought, car was replaced, y'all moved on, dents are fixed, but nope, 2 years can come out. Being proactive, documenting the accident, and communicating with your insurer can protect you here. So document everything, right? Start taking pictures when you get out your car. If you're facing a lawsuit or at risk of causing a car wreck, the law office of Bryan Fagan can help protect what matters here. What you can do is schedule free consultations today. We're going to talk about how to minimize those damages and move forward. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.